I had been with a larger insurance agency in the past, and we've been with them for 11 years, and each year our rate kept rising. And so I thought for sure that we were getting a good deal, even though the rate was rising. We've been with them for 11 years. We were loyal customers, but it turns out that wasn't the case. And he told me that all he needed was just a few information about me, like my name and things like that, and that he would look for me. So he did all the searching and everything, and then he came back to me and told me that he was indeed able to save me money on both the homeowners and the auto insurance. In fact, it's almost $300 a month. I was completely surprised and obviously pleasantly surprised. You know, I was kind of apprehensive up front just based on my past experiences with insurance agencies, and they blew my mind. I mean, they are so genuine. His dad, David, was part of the process, and so genuine, just friendly. They saved me time, they saved me money, they made it totally mindless on my part. I really was beyond enthusiastic with their service.
Boy, can you imagine it being that easy? Well, it is just that easy. With just a little basic information, you could have a personal shopper looking for the best possible insurance rates, and all you have to do is enjoy those savings. Joanna is live with the father and son team from Head Insurance down in front of the station with more. Joanna, nobody likes to shop rates for insurance. This is a great idea.
This is a great idea, and we've had so much response on our show with this before that we invited them back on because people love this. It's a free service. So we've got Brian and David Head. They are the owners, and you guys work together, father and son of Head Insurance Group. Tell me what you guys do, because it's a free service and people are going to save a lot of money.
Well, we're independent agents, and what that means basically is that we can shop insurance coverages with many different carriers for people.
Yeah.
So we can save them both time and money.
Yeah, I love it. And they're going to find you a way, they're going to find a way to save you some money. So who can benefit from this service?
Well, pretty much everybody can benefit from us, but a lot of people who have good driving records or maybe just one or two nicks, or if they've been with their insurance company for a long time, they can really save substantially with us. So we can shop those companies. We're not tied just to one carrier, one rate. We can find the best deal for them.
Yeah, it's going to be a good fit for everybody because you do the research, right?
Absolutely,
okay.
absolutely.
So you have an added incentive for people to save some money. It's this little device here. So I'm going to move over to Brian so I can kind of talk to him about it. What is this?
So this is Safeco's Right Track device. This is a relatively new product. It plugs into your car. It tracks how you drive. It tracks the number of miles you drive,
yes,
the time of day you drive, and the number of hard stops or rapid acceleration. So
I know, I was looking at that earlier. I'm like, ooh, I'd be dinged because I hit my brakes all the time, but it records it.
It does, and it's somewhat forgiving. I mean, it understands the normal flow of traffic and things like that, but it tracks whether you have good driving habits or not. People could save up to 30% on their auto insurance policy just by plugging this in. It's very easy to install. Really the only time of day that counts against you would be the midnight to 4 a.m. Time frame where there's so many DUIs.
Just don't go out, go to bed, people,
exactly,
right?
Go to bed, go to bed, yeah.
So show us where this plugs in. Show us how easy it is.
It's really easy. It plugs in right under your dash. So you just take it here, plug it in, and that's it.
That's it.
It's as simple as that. You leave it in for 90 days, and you can save up to 30%. You can go to the website. You can track your progress. You can see tips on how to improve your discount, things like that over the course of the 90 days. It's almost real time, so you can check, if you've made a trip, you can check if you had any infractions, that kind of thing. So people are loving it, and people are saving a lot of money on their insurance using it. So
yeah, and it would definitely make me more aware of my driving, so I wouldn't make those, sudden stops or speeding, right?
It's great. It's great for young drivers too. If you've got a teenage driver, it's good to plug it in the car. You can see how they're doing when you're not in the car with them. It's expensive to insure teenage drivers. This is a great way to save some money with a product like Safeco's Right Track.
I've got a son who's getting his permit this November, so we'll keep that in mind. David, let's bring you in just for the ending here. You guys not only do car and go show the motorcycle over there because it's about motorcycle insurance, and Ken Clark, that's his motorcycle. He told me not to touch it. I'm not to touch that thing. He says I'm not good with technology. But not only do you provide insurance for the car and the motorcycle, but other insurance as well, right?
Absolutely. This time of year, well, in Colorado, you can ride year-round, that's for sure. But people don't often think that, it's time to check and make sure you got your insurance up to date for your motorcycle, your RV, your boat that you're just starting to bring out now. So we can cover all of that as well and provide people with some discounts there for their toys.
Okay, so you can do this anytime. Let's say somebody signed up with a new insurance 2 months ago and they're like, I can't do it now. You can do it anytime.
You can shop your insurance anytime, and it's a good thing to do to make sure that you've got the right price and the right coverage.
Yeah, we're gonna toss it back to you, Ken. You should look into this because people, you know, they've called this group. It's a free service, and they've ended up saving a lot of money.
Well, and that's the thing is you hate the fact that you should be shopping around to find insurance. And the fact that these guys will do it for you is perfect. So pull out your insurance statement. Do it now. Call the Head Insurance Group. They are so sure that they can save you money. They'll give you a free gift card to your favorite restaurant if they can't beat your current rates. Odds are they can, and they can do it quite handily. So call them now and let them shop for the best coverage and the best rates for you. You actually have nothing to lose. 303-955-6494, 303-955-6494. You can also find them online at theheadinsurancegroup.com. Well, coming